Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Sandro. I will try on a few beautiful items that I like, and after that I will check out sales in Munch and I'll take you guys with me. I hope that you will like this video. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. It's such a lovely day today. It's nice and sunny and I'm actually having an appointment at the beauty salon. I might be a little bit late. Hopefully I will get there on time. And after that I'm going to check out sales in Maje and Sandro. A friend of mine told me that there are such great deals and the items are quite pretty, so I want to go and check it out. And I'm actually on the hunt for another beautiful pair of jeans. I have mine from Munch and I feel like I need to have the same ones but in a different color. Once I love something, I just want to add it in different colors, you know, different material but the same design, and this is what's happening now. Hopefully I'll be able to find something, and of course I will take you guys with me. I am at Ion now and I'm just gonna go to Sandra first. I'm curious to see what they have, and after that I'll just go to Munch. So I took a few items and here is the first item. I like this jacket quite a lot. I love this design, the shoulders. It's so cute. I would wear this one with jeans that I'm wearing, white t-shirt and my white Chanel classic flat back and maybe my white Mary Jane shoes. I like this look a lot and I think I'm definitely getting this one. There is also a skirt and I'm not a big fan of it. Actually, it has a zip at the front. I just turned it around because I don't like that zip. But yeah, I'm not getting a skirt. And I saw this beautiful dress. It actually reminds me of a Chanel dress. I have recently posted a vlog where I tried on a dress like that from the spring summer collection. I will link it down for you guys in case you want to check it out in the description box below. And I really like this one. The only thing is it's a bit too short for me, but I guess if you're a petite girl, this dress will look amazing. I would wear it with my Chanel classic flat back in black with a gold hardware. I could also wear it with the Chanel sling bags that I'm wearing at the moment. I think they would work quite nice here. I actually like Sandro dresses. I purchased quite a few in the past and I still like them and the quality is really good. I recommend them. And here is another dress that is so cute. Actually, Chanel had a very similar design before. I still remember it. It's gorgeous. But unfortunately this one is too short for me, but again, it would be perfect for a petite girl. I really like it. I think I would need to add a stud button here, but the fit is very flattering. I wouldn't have to change it much. It's a gorgeous dress and I love the color as well. And there was also this dress. I'm not a big fan of it. I only like the color but not the design. And this sweater is super cute. I really like it a lot. I love the color, the design. It feels quite comfortable. It looks really nice with jeans. I like it a lot. I'm a huge fan of sweaters. I literally need them in different colors. I just find them so flattering and it's just so easy to style them. And also there was this item. This jacket is on sale and I bought a very similar one last year. By the way, I will link down that vlog for you guys because all the items from that vlog are actually currently on sale, which is great but also disappointing for me because I paid a full price for them. And the same applies to Munch. Literally all the items from that video are now on sale. By the way, this jacket is so cute, but it's one size bigger than my size. I think my original size would look much better here, but I like the cut. It's really cute. I wish they had it in my size. By the way, this sale in Sandro will last for 1 month. And I also saw this top. I'm not a big fan of it. The color kind of washes me out. Anyways, I'm going to go to Munch and hopefully I'll be able to find something nice there. Let's see. So I found these jeans. They are very cute. I need another pair. And these ones remind me of the ones that I bought last time. I think I'm gonna get them, and I like the way they look with my top. They are in a size 34. I don't even have to alter them. They already look nice, and I can wear them with sweaters, with t-shirts, with anything. I really like the look. The color is so pretty as well, and just the quality of MAJE jeans is really good. I worn mine all the time, everywhere. They're just my favorite pair of jeans, and I just need to have a nice alternative like this ones. I will also show the way this look with a t-shirt, just a plain one. And I actually like to wear it this way, even though this t-shirt is very oversized. This is literally my weekend look, and I would also wear a Chanel jacket or a sweater on top, and to pair it with my Chanel classic flap bag. By the way, I have to say that the quality of MAJE jeans is my favorite, especially from other high street brands. I really think that their cut is the most flattering for me. And I'm also gonna check them out in a different color. There was another pair that I liked a lot. Here it is. I love these ones. These ones are in a size 36 and I actually need them in a size 34, so I think my size will actually look better. But even the size 36 is nice. Actually, the store will transfer them for me and I will pick them up tomorrow, which is great. I'm so excited. I really wanted the jeans in this color and I just couldn't find a perfect pair. I love the mom style fit. Even though I have other designs, I have quite a few skinny jeans, I still like them, but for some reason I have been reaching out for the mom style jeans. I can't wait to wear these ones, and I'll be uploading loads of pictures on my Instagram account with my outfits, so if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to do so. I also saw that this super cute sweater is now on sale and they still have it in a white color. I tried it on before in my previous video that I mentioned to you guys earlier, that I will link down in the description box below. But this color is so nice too. Even though it's a little bit warm, I think it's a bit too warm for Singapore. I feel the heat when I'm just trying it on. But I think if you tend to travel to colder countries, to Europe or anywhere else where they have seasons, I think this sweater would be just perfect. It will keep you warm. I really like it a lot. It's so easy to style it, and it actually reminds me of Chanel sweaters. I love this style a lot. It's just so beautiful and the quality is really good. It's not too bad, and I think Maje and Sandro are the only two brands from upper high street where I actually can shop. I kind of gave up on other brands such as Zara, H&M. Well, I still buy from them sometimes, but I find that the quality is not so good and the items just tend to fall apart over time, and I'm just really tired of this experience. I want the items to stay in my wardrobe for as long as possible. Plus, I also think that the sizes from these two brands are actually not too bad. I don't have to alter items that much. And also I saw these black trousers, black jeans. They are not too bad. They are also high-waisted. I'm thinking about them. I don't really need to add a black pair, but these are not too bad. I like the fact that all of these items are 40 to 50% off, which is just perfect. Anyways, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and check out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about style and fashion, Dior, luxury goods shopping, Chanel bags, jewelry, beauty products, weekly vlogs, and travel vlogs. Please also consider checking out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!